Hello there. So here we are messing with this old system again, and today we are going to work with probably the features, because this book that says after some hours database connection is lost and cannot be recovered, it's I want to work with that one very late with this in the software, like it's going to be one of the last things I will be fixing. But now let's add some features. Let's see the feature I want to add now. Show in red the missing fields when not being able to submit. That's tempting. That's very tempting to add as a feature. The other one, when adding a nota de crédito or nota de débito, allow there to select the associated comprobante. That's actually tempting, but it's harder than the first one. Feature. The third feature adds an import button to import database. That's not very important right now. For the next, yeah, let's work with this one today. Today I will be working just a bit now, and then in the afternoon I will be working more. So let's start working for F sake. Okay, so we want to show in red the missing field when we press. Well, we want to show the in red the missing fields when we have to do some stuff. So let's try to work with that. So for example, when I go here and I add a new comprobante, go here. What I want is to show in red all the things that are necessary to submit this. So let's work with that. Before that, let's check show how to. This is Terran style. Oh, not. Anyway. Okay, let's see how to work with this. Let's add some small feature in this beautiful morning, I guess, or whatever is left of this morning. So let me see what I have here. Let's start with which one? This one. Let's start with this one that is probably the most used one right now by the client that it's using this system. Okay, let's go. So, what do we have here? I have to make. Okay, so what I want is that whenever you modify one of the following fields, I want something to update. I guess that's what I want. So let's try to sort this out. So let's go to actions. Text change. Here. Check if able to submit. Oh, that's beautiful. So I can work with that. And let's make another function because I want to work with pure function. Well, it is not pure function, I guess. So let's say we're going refresh fields Colors, I don't like that name, but it's actually the first field color state, I guess. I guess. That's what I want. So let's start working with the fields. Let's start working with this one. Okay, let's work this out. Oh my goodness, this is wonderful. Let's, okay. I guess I want. I guess I don't want this function. I guess I want. No. I don't want this function. I'm sorry, but I don't want this function. I. Oh fuck. Yes, I want this function. Let's handle this. Okay. Let's start working with this feature. This is a very silly feature, but nonetheless, it's a feature still. If able to submit. Okay, so. I get it because okay, so let's start working with the functions here. Let's make some small functions here. Input functionality is valid. Let's work this as a function. It's not boring. It has to be a boolean. No, I like it more. I like it a bit more. Because now I can just go here, and here we can make an if else, and just so simple. And actually, I can make a ternary operator, and that's even more beautiful. Okay, so I want to make an if else then. I want to do it. Okay. I need to. ¿Está bien, amor? Buen punto. Nice. Okay, so I am trying to clear the color of the border property. So according to Stack Overflow, this is the way to do it. So I hope this works. I hope this works. I truly hope this actually works, because this is a feature that they have been asking for since a long time. Let's just keep the curtain. I am again setting ground values. I am just so silly sometimes. There it is. Wonderful. Wonderful. Okay, so here it turns to be a bit more complex, because this says that, well, it's not so complex actually. No. It's not that complex. So I know how to fix it. Okay, I know how to fix it very easy. Okay. If both of these, the only thing I have to do now is to check which one. Well, no, it's both are. I am sick. I am silly sometimes. This should only happen if both are. Or actually, wait a second. It doesn't actually matter because It truly does not matter, I guess. It truly does not matter. Now let me see. Number, number comprobante, key value. Okay, so what I want here is I am so silly today. And it goes the same for this one. Okay, so I'm sorry. No, okay, so this should actually work. Of course, that we also have to this. Let's start with tarapan, tararam, tararararararam. Nice. This is rich. I like it. I like it somehow. You. Okay, so let's try to see if this properly works now. Let's see if this beauty works now. I didn't open Bash today, and that's a problem, but no matter. Okay, it does not seem to be working, and it's a problem. Yeah, that's a kind of a problem, I guess, because it should be working, but it is not working as I expected. Okay. Okay, so how to fix. Hmm. Hmm, 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 hmm. It seems that we actually need to add a border. What the? Okay, or maybe there is no border signals, and that's a problem we have here. Okay, man. System window. Okay. So, oh, nice. I see. Let's see if this actually works. Interesting. It seems to be working not the way I expected it to work. So, the thickness is not necessary. And the issue here is that why? Why this is not setting the borders to red? That's a question that I still can't find the answer for. So it says that the number is valid, but it clearly is not invalid. And the same with this one. But if I left this totally empty or 0, I see that's not it. It's working. And if I make this for you, okay. So what's going on here? Oh, this makes no sense about what I am doing here. So, I was making this wrong. Come on. Oh, I have to stop it so far. What's going on here? What's the problem here? Oh, I get it. Yes, I get it. Totally, I am making this wrong. This is more easily. Let's do this actually. Yes, I am setting the condition wrong. So that's kind of silly for me. Now this should be working like charm, I guess. Otherwise, I stopped doing programming and I stopped selling burrito, and I like. Let's see how this goes. No, this is what the. This is not cool. This is not very. Okay, this is fine. What what's going on with the date? Why? Okay, so if it's valid, it's still valid. If it's not valid, but I'm doing something wrong here. What am I doing? Okay. I am doing something wrong here. This is what kind of page is this? A textbook? Yes, it's a textbook. If it's valid, we see the valid scores up. This function makes no sense at all. This is valid, and this has to be negated because this function was returning true when it was invalid the input, but the function is named if input fecha emitido is valid, and it was returning true when it was invalid. So there was a contradiction here. Now the contradiction is fixed, and we have to fix it here. And now everything should be working now. Okay, so now we should be working. Now we are talking. Yes, yes, yes. Now we are talking. I love it. Okay, okay. Now I think I don't have too much. Ah, yes, I have time. Yes. So I would like the thickness of this to be a bit more. Is there any way I can? Because I want this to still be red when I am focused on its input. I'm not blue like this because I want to know that this input is invalid. So the client or the user of this software can know that yes, this input is invalid and now it's valid. So what can I do on? I will fix that later. So yes, now I can know which inputs are not valid. So now this input is yes, it's invalid. The month 25 does not exist, I guess. So, no, that month doesn't exist either. Now it's valid. Now it's invalid. And now it's valid. And now it's invalid again. Now it's valid. And let's see if I add a date that makes no sense. Yeah, if I recall correctly, months don't have 50 days, I guess. So yes, it's working like charm. And what if the year is just a number? That should not be happening. That's a problem. Okay, but and what happens if the usual mistake the user do is that when it how I no. Oh, there it is. How that even happen at all? How that even happen at all? Oh, I know. Oh, I have a mistake here. Haha, I have a little book here, I guess. Aha. This double inverted. It is inverted bar. No, this double backlash. Sorry, this is not inverted backlash. I guess. But this double backlash should not be happening, and it happens. So we have a new bug, and that's beautiful. I like finding bugs because bugs help me to pretend that I have work to do. So which problem do we have? We have this problem that uh, double backlash in what's the actual name of this input? I would like the actual name. This one. But I will remember just with this. I will remember what. Oh, Oh, it's automated. Nice. It's automated. I like it. Okay, so this one, it's done. Fixed. No, well, it's not a fix. It's actually a feature. So this feature was added. I guess I should stop by now and come back in the afternoon, but let's push the changes of this work so everyone is happy, especially me. Let's push the changes in the internet. Let's see. Yes. And what's the feature we add actually? Oh yes. So actually this is work in progress yet because I have to do that for the others. But anyway. So get the missing piece in as comprobantes window. Please commit nice. Please push. Please push. Please push. Please push. Please push. 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 And it's push. So this is actually still work in progress because I did it for only this form, and I have to do it for this form too, and this form too, and the other forms. So nice, I guess. Okay, so I can fix this in 5 minutes because I just have to copy and paste code. So let's start doing. Don't copy and paste code. That's not good. That's not good. But you know what? You know how what they say. You can break the rules after you know the rules. And I'm going to break the rules right now. And should I do this? No. I am going to do it. Yes. So what? You. I want to go to your code here. So where is the check if able to submit? Yes. Here it is. Here it is. Beautiful. So we have something. Oh, sorry, something similar here. So there is a way of making it code. I should make a generic function for this, but anyway. So private void is valid. Why am I mixing languages? Why am I doing Spanglish here? Why? I like doing Spanglish. It's just wonderful. Okay, so with this here, oh, this should be a boolean, of course. With this beautiful here, I should be able to again here it is. Okay, so now let's start working with the input again. This is the input to. The other input should be to and the other input should be what the. Oh yes, I know. Okay. No, so I am sorry. I am happy with this right now. So let's go. Let's call this 2. We call you here 2, and we call you here, and we call you here, and not enough. And that's enough. That's enough, I guess. Let's see if it works. It should work with the resistance Remitos. I never used this. Anyway, it should work with the Remitos too. So let's see if it works fine. If I press modify, everything should be okay. Nice. And if I select my magic business because I don't want to mess with the original database, I have when I did this. Okay, anyway. And see, yes, it's working fine, like charm. Look at that, that's just beautiful. Yeah, it's easy what I wanted. It's showing red, and it should be showing red here too, but I don't care. And fine. We are doing some nice progress here. And now I can do the same with receivables, I guess. Yes, yes. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Yes, we have exactly the same kind of function here. No, 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 no. Here. Go here. We are just doing what we don't have to do. That's going copy and pasting a function. You know, the common sense usually says to you, this is not the way to do it, but that's why I have usually a day to do something called refactoring, so I can clean the mess and this pile of mess I made sometimes. So now, yes, this should be saying that if the input is yes, everything and this should be working okay if I make this function here. And we are doing this, and don't worry if you think that this is not the appropriate way to do programming, because I think the same. And I'm going to refactor this code later, don't worry. I want to make my minimum viable product today, and tomorrow or later afternoon I'm going to refactor. I just want to see it working. Okay? So, okay, is everything fine? Yes, I want this one here. To no. No, sorry. Here value. Texture. I don't know how I remember this, but I remember it somehow. And by the way, the autocompletion, I thought autocompletion, autocompletion, and by the way, the autocompletion does help a lot. It really helps a lot because my memory is not great. So, but the brush equals system Windows board. What's autofill? Autofill. Thank you. Okay, here my girlfriend is helping me because my English is actually pretty bad sometimes. But it says I think so. Not sure it says to me. So I am not sure either what I am doing. So I don't blame her. Sometimes we are not sure about what we are doing. So it's okay. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine not to be sure. No one. Oh, Windows Media. Why? It's actually. It was here. Why? Oh, I'm sorry. Windows Media brushes. Right, I am typing this manually because I want to, for once, not do copy and paste and actually write the code. So this is what I want. I'm not sure. I am not totally sure if this is what I want. Oh yes, I have to get the function. Check it. Able to submit. And we want to call up. And you may be wondering, wait. Sorry, my brain was breaking apart. What I was saying is that you may be wondering, look, Maxi, I like you, you like me, and all of that, but why you are making two functions to be called all the time together instead of making one big function for everything in this case? And let me say to you that making one function that does everything is not good. It's not good, and that's the kind of program or software I used to make 10 years ago, and believe me, I was awful writing code 10 years ago. And usually what you want to do is to be able to read the code and like read it in English and know what's going on. If you make a function and says, do all the stuff, I don't mind what's going on, and the function name is that, then that's like working with a magic box. And you don't want to work with a magic box. Because when everything blows away, and believe me, it's going to blow away. Everything blows away all the time. You want to know what's going on. If someone teach you that you can make software that it's not going to break apart someday, then they are lying to you. It's always going to break apart someday. What you want to know, what you want to be able to do is that when things break apart, it's to be able to understand the code to fix the mess you made. And get paid for doing that, by the way. Fix the shit you do. So, let's see. And the good thing about working with, is, with this Microsoft framework is that if things break apart and shit breaks apart, you can always blame Microsoft, because usually Microsoft stuff breaks apart alone, so you can always blame Microsoft and fix what you did later. If you work with Linux, that's harder. You don't have anyone to blame usually there. So what I want to do is to make sure, yes, it's working fine here. It's working fine here. And it's working fine here. So I can make my, and this is of course wrong, because what's the Mount 42? This is probably another planet, not the Earth. That's probably another planet. So that's fine, I guess. It's working. Okay, so if I press modify, nothing should be red. Nothing should be red. No, I don't want to save anything. And nothing should be red. Okay. My magic business. Nice. So yes, I am done for today, because otherwise my family is going to kill me. And it showing red the missing fields in add meters and add. I keep doing this. I keep doing Spanglish, and why? Why? So there it is. We added a new feature in how many time? In 40 minutes. That's nice. That's nice. What? Why I put it? No, that's red. It's green. Green. It's over. It's finally over. So we have so many features to add. I will be working with that in the afternoon, probably. Which one I want to work in the afternoon with? When I also like, no, this one, no, it's from boring and actually pretty messy to work with. Add import button. This is not very important right now. Refactor. Yes, this. Look at this mess. Yes, I have to refactor this, of course. Do you want to see the error? Look at this. I was messing with this Excel export library to generate an Excel from other stuff, and this code is helpful. But I was learning how to work with. I have to refactor all of this. This is nightmare. This is just nightmare. This is not the way. This is not the way you want to do stuff. But sometimes you have to do this kind of stuff and then make it pretty. It's like doing a sketch, I guess. Sketch, right? A draft. Oh, that's right. They are helping me here again with my broken English. It's a draft, of course. So yes, it's like making a draft. This is a draft, and And not a beautiful draft, by the way. This is like a draft that it works, yes. Um, It works, actually, it works. And I have to tell you something that you maybe, if you're like me, you maybe are wondering, my God, I write such code. No one's going to use a software with this code. But you know what I saw with time looking at open source projects and actually software source code from commercial projects that I was able to see the code is that if you believe your code is bad, there are so many shit out there and was sold. And you look at the code inside and you are like, did this guy even finish high school, you mean? And believe me, there is so many shit out there, so it is good to write clean code, yes. But don't feel ashamed to sell something if your code does not look pretty, because there are so many people out there writing awful code, so it's it's like don't 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 be so hard with yourself because it's okay. We all have to start from some place. Believe me, there are so many things out there that look awful. Anyway, I am just mm, I don't know how to say this expression. Yéndome por las ramas. That's very hard to say in English, I guess, right? I am losing my track, maybe.
Um, I tried for it,
It's okay. We are having
I searched.
we are having a problem here with the expression that we say in Spanish usually. Actually, in Argentina, I don't know if in Spanish. That I lost I lost my track of what I was doing before by saying all of this to you. But yes, man, the point is goodbye. I have to go, and I fixed a feature for not for you because but you can see how I fix it. And goodbye. See you later, and see you later probably this afternoon.